What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Foreigner. On today's video we're gonna explore Kigali. Yeah, this video is gonna be called A Normal Day in Kigali. Yeah. So this is my apartment. From here, this is a place where you can always come and see the view of the city of Kigali. As you can see this side, show them. This is the airport of Kigali, international airport of Kigali, and this is the city of Kigali. So basically we are close to the airport, and now we are going to the downtown. Let's explore this amazing city. Yeah. Yo, so I already put on my sweater because it's like almost raining here in Kigali. So we're gonna go look for like a motorbike. It's more cheap and it's more affordable here, but it's raining. So here is my room. Anyways, we're going outside. Yeah. We're outside now. We're gonna look for like a two bike. It's raining. This place is like basically people collect cash, momo. Okay. So in Rwanda, basically you have to like take two bikes, each one person. Yeah. So we can tell them the place, so we can go together. Yeah. It's my friend here. He's a Rwandese. So you need to put this helmet. It's compulsory. Yeah. So they're gonna like speak in the language to begin, because basically when they hear you speaking English, they tend to like make the price expensive. Yeah. So they are talking about the price. So here we go. This is a motorbike here in Kigali. Yeah. Anyways, we are here. Yeah. So now we are going to downtown. It's gonna take us like maybe 30 minutes, and it's raining. Yeah. So, but anyways, here we are. Yeah. So when we are at the downtown, I'll give you guys a little tour of the downtown on the motorbike. Then we move. Yeah, it's nice. Hey. You're gonna. Yeah, this is Kigali. It's very clean. It's nice, yeah. Yeah, Kigali is very nice. It's very clean. Yeah. Welcome to Kigali. Yeah, we are here. Let's chill. This is Foreigner. Yeah, the city is very nice. guys, we just arrived. Where is he going? So I think it's like a bus stop for motor bicycle. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to make the payment with my Momo. That's the MTN Rwanda. Yeah, that should be *182 hash. Yo, bro, how much?
This one, 2.3.
2.3, yeah. Your number? Phone number. So I'm gonna put his phone number. Yeah. I send you 25. Okay, enter.
Thank you.
So the problem is when you make payment, they don't check, yeah. Eh?
You paid all.
No. I paid only him, yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, the problem is that when you make payment, they don't usually check. Most of them, like, they are sending money to their families, they are the one handling the payments. So when you make the payment, they don't usually check whether they receive the payment there, because like they don't have phones. So like the height of trust here in Kigali is very much. So anyway, we are going inside the market. Let's explore. Yeah. Say hi. All right, yeah. This side is like hills, like a mountain, yeah. So Kigali is all about buildings on the mountain. Here's like a market. Show them this side, this side. This side of Kigali, this side, yeah. No, you're gonna. Here like businesses and barbing salons. So the place is like a busy, yeah. What's the name of this place?
Downtown.
Downtown.
Downtown Kigali.
Yeah, I know the downtown, but it don't have like any other name, right?
No, I don't know any other name.
Oh. Okay, yeah. So from this side we can go to that place, right? That we took the video. Yeah. The Capri. Yeah, Capri Zone, yeah. Capri Zone is a place where you can see beautiful ladies. And if you want to find wife in Kigali, Rwanda, just go to Capri, yeah. And if you want to like take like a videos or something interesting, like a peaceful place where nobody cares, I think the place is a perfect place, yeah. Because in Rwanda there are some places that I think you can take a video or photo, yeah, not like another disturbance, yeah. Or show them the view from here, yeah. You can see buildings, houses from this side, which is really amazing, yeah. These are mountains, but you can see buildings on top of mountains.
This is the roadway.
Yeah, and you can see this is gutter, but it's very clean. And this road is very clean, yeah. Even though it is very busy, marketing, everything is going on. Yeah, the place is very clean. Wow. It's like a university. This university. The gate.
Yeah.
It's gate forward. Okay, bus stop, yeah. Wow, the place looks very nice. Wow. Let's go. So yeah, I'm gonna buy a screen guard for my iPhone 16, yeah. So this place is like a pharmacy. This place, yeah, we can buy screen guard, yeah. Hello. Do you have a iPhone 16 screen guard? 16 screen guard? Yes. Alright, yeah. So I think you can discuss the price with them. Yeah, no problem.
Which type do you want so that they can?
iPhone 16, yeah.
Screen protector for iPhone 16.
iPhone 16 normal.
Normal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Screen guard, yeah. Yeah, because they might give me expensive price. So he's the Kigali Rwandan. So maybe if he's speaking Rwandan, it may be more easier. Yeah.
bashaka 16. Awera cyo gutema nk'isaha imwe y'amaboko wenyine. Need cover also or need protector only?
No, let me see the covers we have. And then we can choose here.
Byizere kabisa.
Sawa.
Sawa ma. So protect we have is this one.
We have the dark one. The one, yeah.
So we have silicone, original silicone from Apple.
Let me see the colors here.
You see? This one, this original silicone from Apple.
This is a car-free zone here in Kigali. This place is where people come relax, enjoy. And you can see at this side people are just sitting, enjoying the weather and the atmosphere. Let's go. Let's see if we can find some place to sit. Hush. I need to rest. Then I'll start looking for a wife. Yeah, I wanted to sit here, but it's like this guy is trying to sit here. Yeah. Hush.
Eh?
Oh, that was amazing. So we're gonna sit here for some while. Then we're gonna check out what and what we can get in this amazing place. Yeah. In China, we call this pedestrian street. Yeah. Oh, man. We're gonna sit down. It's like today we are not like here. I didn't see the beautiful Rwanda East. Yeah. Well, let's wait a little here and see what we're gonna get. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Kigali. I had an amazing time here, and I will catch you guys in another episode. This is Foreigner. I love you guys. Peace out.